Good morning, children. This is your English teacher, Rajni, DAV Public School, Dr. NTTPS, Ibrahim Patnam. Welcome back to our English class, children. In the last video, I told you lesson 4 Little Aristo's Big Adventure. Is it or not? Now we are seeing part 3. In the first video, I told you vocabulary. I explained you vocabulary. Vocabulary means nothing but meanings. And first para, characters also. Is it or not? In the first video, I told you vocabulary, characters in the story. And in the second video, I explained you 4 paras. Is it or not? 4 paras. What we understood in that, my children? There are 4 characters in the story. Is it? Papa elephant, Mama elephant, and baby elephant named Aristophanes Socratello. Shortly we'll call him as Aristo. Is it or not? And Papa elephant and Mama elephant regularly they use it to leave baby elephant and go out to bring lovely things for Aristo to eat. So, what happened in the meantime? Aristo used to spend the whole day alone. At that time, Kaka, that is the name of the crow, is Kaka, used to come to baby elephant and told number of stories to him. He used to tell that there are people who lived in houses and cars and ran on wheels. So here baby elephant was excited to see all these things. Okay, it wanted to go. He wanted to go out and want to see these wonderful things. So, one day it started to come out. Okay, it is a big jungle. So, the baby elephant walked and walked and walked. At last, the baby elephant found small houses and he also found baby human in a garden. Seeing that, Aristo was very excited and wanted and moved forward to make a new friend. But the human baby's mother, saw an elephant running towards her child. So, mother was very worried because mother thought that the baby elephant wanted to harm her human baby. So mother shouted. Now we'll come to our lesson, today's lesson. How mother wanted to save the human child, we will see in the today's video. Help, help! Mother shouted like this. Help, help! The elephant is attacking my baby. She cried loudly. Children, those who have textbook, open page number 32 and see. The mother shouted like this. Help, help! The elephant is attacking my baby. She cried loudly. People came from the nearby houses with sticks and brooms. They beat poor little Aristo till he turned and ran back into the jungle. Mother was very worried seeing the baby elephant, so she shouted and called all the people around her house. So the people who were living in nearby houses came with sticks and brooms. Already I told you the meaning of broom. A long handled brush of bristles which is used for sweeping. They brought the sticks and brooms to beat the baby elephant. So they beat the poor little Aristo severely till he turned and ran back into the jungle. That means the baby elephant at last, it was worried and unable to be there. So he turned back and ran again into the jungle. Baby elephant was very small, no? So again he ran back into the jungle. Jungle means, what is the meaning, children? Forest. Is it? Now see, Aristo again came to the jungle, so ran on and on, on and on. After some time, he stopped and looked around. Where was he? He was lost. Oh, what would he do now? So, Aristo, baby elephant, ran and ran into the jungle. After some time, baby elephant stopped and looked around himself. He did not find anything, so he thought that he was lost in the jungle. He was lost in the jungle and he exclaimed what he had to do now. Exclaimed he what he had to do now. That means he was missed in the jungle and he did not remember his house. So he was worried and about to cry also. At that time, what happened, we'll see in the second para, next para. Just then he heard a ka. He looked up. There was ka. He shouted. Kaka came down like an arrow. While he was worried, while the baby elephant was worried, he heard in the sky ka. Then he looked up. In the sky, there was Kaka. Kaka came down. Then baby elephant immediately shouted, Kaka, come down. Kaka also came down like an arrow, like anything. It came very fast to little Aristo. Then what happened? See, where were you, Aristo? He asked. We looked all over for you. Then immediately Kaka came down and asked Aristo where he was, because mother, father and they are looking for him. They searched and searched, but mother, father and I searched, but you were not there. And so Kaka asked where he was till now. Then what happened? Two big tears rolled down Aristo's big nose. Oh, Kaka, I wanted to have an adventure, but now I am lost and scared. I want to go home. When Kaka asked where he was, immediately tears came down on Aristo's long nose. And he also told to Kaka that he wanted to do an adventure, but he was lost. He was missed his house and also scared. That means frightened. He was feared. And now he asked, baby elephant asked Kaka that he wanted to go home. That he wanted to go home. Now see, don't cry, Aristo, said Kaka. I will fly above the trees and you can follow me home. Thank you, Kaka, said Aristo happily and ran all the way home. Okay. Kaka asked, Kaka told, Kaka consoled Aristo not to cry because Kaka will show the way. He said that he will fly above the trees so that baby Aristo can follow him to the home. Listening that words, Aristo said, thanks. Aristo said thanks to Kaka because he can go home happily. Okay, children, he can go home very happily by following Kaka. Okay, now see. Poor Papa and Mama Elephant were worried for their son. Mama Elephant could not stop crying and Papa Elephant's little eyes were full of tears. Okay, then what happened, Ma? Here in the house, Mother Elephant, Father Elephant were worried of their son. Mother Elephant could not stop crying. We all know mother cannot bear. Here, Mother Elephant was crying. Mother Elephant cannot control herself. Papa Elephant's little eyes were also full of tears. Okay? Then what happened? Suddenly they heard the trumpet of their little Aristo. Then they saw Aristo running towards them. Happily, how happy all of them were. While mother and father were crying, immediately they heard the trumpet sound. We all know trumpet sound. Trumpet sound means it was the sound made by the elephant. They heard their son's sound. Then they saw Aristo coming towards them. They felt very happy seeing their son. Okay, children, seeing their son, parents were very happy. Then what happened? See, then Aristo promised that it wouldn't go anywhere alone. Aristo promised that he wouldn't go anywhere alone. The world is an exciting place, but you must grow up before you explore it on your own, said Papa Elephant. Papa Elephant said that he had to grow up before going out. Then see. Yes, Papa said Aristo. He snuggled close to his mama, tired but happy. Here Aristo also agreed that he won't go out again and immediately lay very close to his mother because he was very tired but felt very happy because again he returned home. Understood, no children? Now at last, baby elephant came to the house. Moral. What is the moral, children? Understood? We must not go anywhere without telling our parents. That is the moral, children. You also remember, you should not go anywhere without telling to your parents. Understood, no children? So today, all of you remember, children, once again learn the vocabulary and watch the video twice or thrice. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.